So each of them have their own distinctions, and sometimes they do overlap. But like with any identity, identities are things or labels or words, if you will, that people choose to take on for themselves. It's really important that we don't force identities on individuals, that identities are things that people choose for themselves depending on what feels right for them. And what they're comfortable with at that time. And identities are also something that can be fluid and can change with time and experience. So here is another way to look at the transgender umbrella. And this image really spoke to me because it really included lots and lots of different identities and experiences and people who may feel that they fit under this umbrella. So we can debate a lot of these terms, and people often like to debate identities, but within this transgender umbrella, according to this one author and artist, we have individuals who are masculine women, we have individuals who are androgynous persons, and androgyny means incorporating the characteristics of both male and female, so together. So we can either be physically androgynous or we can be psychologically androgynous, which a lot of individuals in today's society match that definition very much. We have individuals who are feminine men, transsexuals that we've talked about, and then those who transition from male to female and female to male. We also have intersex individuals, two-spirit individuals. And two-spirit is a native or an indigenous terminology that's rooted in history, that talks about embodying the characteristics of both male and female. And so there's a rich history with that terminology as well.